Hey crafty friends, we are taking some scrap wood. These are actually panel pieces that we just had some extras of. We're going to turn this into Uncle Sam. I'm using Rethunk Junk, that is Farmhouse Navy. I did one coat of cotton, let it dry, and I'm trying not to tape it off. I don't want them perfectly straight. So you could tape them off and get them perfectly straight. So that's the second coat of cotton. I'm going to paint some wooden stars, also the same color. And then a second coat of the Farmhouse Navy. We're going to hot glue those stars on. Oh, let's do the red first. So this is barn door. And I tried to get the size brush that would get the stripes I wanted. Now, we're going to hot glue those stars on. And I think the paint is still a little wet, so I'm just poking it down with the end of a paintbrush. So now we're going to take an antique glaze and go over all of it, the denim or the Farmhouse Navy and the cotton. So we put it on, and we're going to do the same thing here. However, I did not let it dry, so I smeared it. So I put one more coat of cotton on. There are 2 holes that are already drilled in the top, and I'm just adding some wire to hang this. I'm going to twist it a little bit and then push it down so it doesn't come back out through the hole. Now I'm going to take some muslin, and I have folded this like 4 times back and forth. I am hot gluing it to the back of the board and then hot gluing it to each other. Just making sure that that is staying in place. And now I'm going to just make some cuts and tear it. I love the look of torn muslin. You could do this ahead of time before attaching it to your board. I didn't want to measure out to figure out how far I needed to go up. So now I'm figuring out where we're going to put the brim of the hat on while I'm fixing the cotton. Just hot glue that into place. I'm adding just a little wooden ball for his nose. I'm gonna add, now that it's dry, we're gonna add some glaze to that, a little Spanish moss and a little metal star. And you've got cute holiday decor. You could keep this up all year round. The paint was still wet, so my hot glue didn't hold. But that's just simple scrap wood, muslin fabric, and some stars. Get really creative with your scrap wood. This is adorable. I'm about to make a bigger version of this, so watch for that. Happy crafting.